The first demo actually includes when you take photos. Oftentimes when you take photos, the person taking the photo, I'm diving into this, by the way.
Yeah.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
When you take a photo, the person taking the photo isn't usually in those photographs unless you do the super long arm thing. So what if you
A selfie, they call
A
it.
selfie.
A super long
arm thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Unless you're Stretch Armstrong and you know how to take a photo of yourself.
So, to eliminate this super long arm thing, we have something called, it's called Project All In, made with this Adobe Sensei magic. It's all machine learning. You'll hear Adobe Sensei, that word, just means machine learning and magic, basically, behind the Hassoons.
It
So
means magic?
It does mean magic. It's machine learning. It's a lot of augmented reality, well, actually, artificial intelligence. Yes, there we go.
Oh, artificial intelligence.
Yes.
Oh, that's much scarier than
and that's what this
machine
does.
learning.
So
Yeah.
they're very. Okay, let's move on. Right, we haven't even started.
No, I'm sorry.
I have one intro to
It's
do.
all this smart pop. It's just got me going.
I need some smart pop, please.
Have a kernel.
All right, please welcome Mina Doherty with Project All In. We can have a seat.
Okay. My husband and I were hiking in Mount Davidson. The path was very pretty, so we decided to take a picture of the two of us. I'm not a huge fan of selfies, and there wasn't anybody around to take our picture. Even if they were, they usually don't know how to use my DSLR camera. Thankfully, my husband knows how to use my camera, so he takes a picture of me. Next, I take a picture of him.
Who's done that?
Oops. So I could open my own photo in Photoshop, try to crop myself out, and paste it in the other photo. How many people have done this before? Yeah, we know it's doable, but it's time-consuming and requires some Photoshop skills. Let's see how All-In can help. Let's run the code.
Yeah, there's that code I was talking about.
Good code.
Everybody got that?
That's
Okay.
good code.
So it's getting faces and mask of the first image, getting faces and mask of the second image. It's comparing the faces, finding the missing person.
Yep.
It found one person, cropping the missing person, and blending it in, and all done. Let's see what we got. Okay, it found me as the missing person and cropped me out. And it blended me into the final photo.
Whoa.
Okay.
We have a question over here.
Oh, go ahead.
Do you have to know the person that you put yourself next to?
You should be hiking with them.
Good question.
Hiking near them. Okay, all right.
She'll answer that.
Okay. Okay, let's look at another example. Okay, it's November, and it's that time of the year for those of us who send holiday cards to start planning for it. So my family and I start venturing out into San Francisco to take some family portraits. So first, I take a picture of my husband, our baby, and our toddler. Then it's my turn. So I go in. My toddler was happily sitting there and was playing his guitar and didn't want to move. So my husband took a picture of us. Now we have a problem. My son is in both photos. Let's see how All-In can help. Let's run the code again.
Yep.
Yeah, you got it?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, again, it's getting faces and mask for the first image. It's getting faces and mask for the second image. It's comparing the faces, finding the missing person. It found one person, cropping the missing person, blending, and all done. Let's see what we got. Okay, here, it found me as the missing person and cropped me out. And ta-da!
Very cool.
Yeah, so the algorithm is smart. It does face recognition, and it recognizes that my toddler was in both photos, so it only found me as the missing person and blended me in.
Yes. Fantastic. Mina, thank you so much. Love it. So hopefully
And I
that
know-
makes sense.
That's incredible.
Right?
That's incredible.
It,
I don't mean to speak for the company, but I know that next year we're going to be able to give everyone a guitar in every photo. So
That's right.
that's the plan.
It is pretty impressive, again. And it does that facial recognition as well, reading those images, which is awesome.
My aunt did the reverse of that with her ex-husband, where she would just fold photos over and frame them. But that's another story for another expo.
Fantastic.